So today on my channel, I'm going to be doing a review for the Bondi Sands Liquid Gold Tanning Foam. Oh my god. I have wanted to try out this product for so long and I'm really excited. So I can't wait to show you how I go from this to this. All by just using one product. So stick around to find out how I do my tanning routine. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay, I've got my Bondi Sands and I've got my tanning mitt ready to go. I love this tanning mitt because it is double-sided, so it helps me reach up to my back and get in all the crevices everywhere. First off, I start with 3 pumps and I start on my legs and I move my way up. I make sure to go in large circles, always blending around in circles and then patting after I have finished that section. I always wait and leave my knees and my feet till the very end, just because there's less product on the mitt and it doesn't make a product build up. I add a little bit more if I need to, and then I start going in with my arms. So again, with my arms, I leave my hands and my elbows till the very last when I have the least amount of product on my mitt so that it doesn't build up. Making sure to move any straps or anything out of the way, and the same with my neck. I wait until the very end to do that part just because it will build up too much on my neck. Here I'm just setting a timer for 10 minutes, so I leave the tan to just set for 10 minutes before I put any clothes or anything on. I've got this silk rope that I love to wear with my tan. It is super comfortable and just doesn't stick. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on how the tan is going. So I applied it, don't know what the time is. I applied it maybe about half an hour ago, maybe about 40 minutes. And it's still sort of feeling a bit sticky, but today is really hot outside, so I'm not surprised. You can see that there isn't really much of a difference to my skin so far. It doesn't have a color guide, so when you first put it on, as you could see from my video before, as it doesn't have a dark color when you first put it on like the other tans do, so you have to be really diligent with how you are blending it out onto your skin and how much you're putting onto there, just to make sure that you have no streaks and it's all nice and blended. Yeah, I'm just wearing like my silk robe just until it stops feeling a bit sticky, and then I can go ahead and put some clothes on. This tan is marketed so that you don't have to wash it off. I still think that I might like wash it off depending on how it's feeling. Yeah, I'll wait and see. So usually I sleep in my tan, but it is daytime, so I will see how this looks in about 5 to 6 hours, and then I'll give you guys a bit of an update. So like I said, I usually sleep in my tan, so I thought I'd show you guys how I do that. I have this amazing product, it's called Tansy, and it helps me to not get tan all over my sheets, especially because my sheets are white, my quilt is white, it just ends up a mess. So all I do is I put this into my bed, I get in and I go to sleep. Okay guys, so this is after about 6 hours of leaving the tan on. I haven't washed it off, I haven't done anything. It just gives you the beautiful natural glow that you're looking for during summer without looking like fake tan. Here's my little before and after, and I absolutely love this product. It's so beautiful, it's so natural, and I will be using it all the time. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe!